So we'll be seeing some questions based on the body mass. We have seen the rule. Now here there are no brackets. These brackets are for sign. Operation के लिए bracket नहीं है, off भी नहीं है. So after that we have division, which is here. So we'll be solving this part first. Division. So here the rest of the thing will remain same. That is this part, minus 7 into 2 into minus 3 plus 3 minus bracket minus 10. Now this part we are solving. 48 divided by 6. So this will be 8. Now after division is done, there is no other division here. We have multiplication. So we'll solve this multiplication. We can solve this first or this first. We have seen that property, associative property. So minus 7 into 2, that is minus 14. Plus minus है. So operation multiplication होने के बाद में result will be of minus as per the rule, into minus 3 plus 3 minus bracket में minus 10 minus 8. This next multiplication will be solved क्योंकि multiplication है अभी तो वो solve होगा. Minus 14 into minus 3, माइनस माइनस है तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन के हमारे ऑपरेशन का इसमें होता है कि माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. 14 into 3 is 42. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो गया प्लस 3. नाउ हियर वी कैन डू दिस माइनस माइनस. जो ब्रैकेट का हमने देखा था माइनस माइनस अगर है तो वो हो जाता है, इट बिकम्स प्लस एंड दिस विल बी माइनस 8. नाउ वी हैव एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो वी कैन डू द एडिशन, दिस एडिशन फर्स्ट. 42 plus 3, 45 plus 10 minus 8. Now we can do this, or we can also do this 10 minus 8. 45, this will be plus minus है. So 10 minus 8 is 2, greater number positive है. And this last, so 47. Let's see the next one on the board mass. Now यहाँ पे brackets भी है, and in the brackets we have seen all the types of brackets. In that we have seen that this is the square, this is the curl bracket, this is the round bracket, this is the vinculum or bar bracket. So innermost bracket, that is this bracket has to be solved first. Brackets तो solve करना है, but in that we have to solve the innermost, and that is vinculum. Vinculum ही रहेगा जो innermost रहेगा, so that we have to solve first. And as I said, the rest of the things will remain same. So we write that, and we are solving this part. So we are solving this 60 minus 5. So simple subtraction is there, 55 and greater number is positive, plus 5. Now bar bracket is gone, vinculum is gone, this bracket will be solved, that is the round bracket. Again it is the innermost bracket. The rest of the things will remain same. 55 plus 5, that is 60. Then this is done, round bracket is gone, we have the curly bracket. Here we will solve this part. Minus 60, that is 40, greater number is positive, and curl bracket is gone, so here we'll have this square bracket. Now we'll be solving this part. So division, and it is inside the bracket, so we are solving the bracket actually. 600 divided by 40, you can do the rough work if you want. We have 1, 5, 15 is that, and now again this all the brackets are solved. Here we have multiplication and addition. So brackets are done, and we don't have off, we don't have division left here. We have multiplication and addition. So in that we have to do the multiplication part, that is this part. 100 into 10 is 1000, and minus plus is minus, so this will be minus plus 15. Now last operation, this is negative, this is positive. In case of this minus plus, we have to do the subtraction. So 1000 minus 15 will do 985. Greater number is negative, so this will be negative. So here we have, since this is minus plus, we have done subtraction, and here we have greater number negative, therefore this is negative. Next we have word problems. Word problems solve करने हैं based on whatever we have seen with respect to integers. Now in word problems it is important to write the statements. So statement लिखना है, and we have to understand what we have to do with the numbers, operation क्या है. So first let's see what is given. One of Rita's hobby is to study the weather details reported by the television news channel. Information दी है just कि this girl likes to study about the weather. दिया हुआ है the maximum temperature on Tuesday was 37 degrees Celsius. Okay. This temperature is given on Tuesday. So we can write this sentence first. Temperature on Tuesday was 37 degrees Celsius. But on Wednesday there was a dip in the temperature by 4 degrees. Wednesday को क्या हुआ? Dip. Dip means fall. Fall हुआ means it is negative. So positive negative क्या चीज़ है हमको देखनी है? Rise is positive, dip is negative. So there is a dip in the temperature 4 degrees Celsius because of the rain. So dip in the temperature is on Wednesday is 4 degrees Celsius. There is a dip means its effect is negative. So minus 4 degree हुआ है गया है. It has gone down by 4 degree. Next sentence is the temperature again rose by. The dip was negative. Rise means up, positive. So that is negative effect and positive effect. On Thursday there was rose, rise in the temperature. Rise in the temperature is on Thursday. It is 2 degrees Celsius. ये positive effect है, that is rise. What we have to find here? What was the temperature on Thursday? Finally Thursday को क्या temperature था? That we have to find. So operation क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Operation is nothing but the relative, like from 37 first it has gone down by 4, then it has rose to 2, rose by 2. So that we have to do here. So temperature on Thursday will be given by this 37 minus this 4 plus this 2. This was the starting temperature that is given. After that 4 degrees it has gone down and then it has rose by 2. So that is the actual operation we have to do. 37 minus 4 that is 33 plus 2, so that is 35 degrees Celsius. That is the final temperature on Thursday. Let's see the next word problem. It is given a submarine moved from the water surface at a speed of minus 10 meters per minute. Water surface है अगर ये from here submarine started to move downwards, नीचे जा रही है at a speed of minus 10 meter per minute. Now it is considered this, if this is the sea level, this is considered to be the 0, and above this is going to be positive numbers, below this is going to be negative numbers. So therefore it is given surface, water surface से शुरू हुई है and it is going downwards बिकॉज -10 मीटर दिया हुआ है, सो इसके लिए वो डाउनवर्ड्स जा रही है. हाउ फार इज द सबमरीन फ्रॉम द वाटर सरफेस एट द एंड ऑफ 5 मिनट्स. 1 मिनट में पर मिनट दिया हुआ है, मीन्स 1 मिनट में ये -10 मीटर्स नीचे गई है. सो इन 5 मिनट्स हाउ मच बिलो द सरफेस इट इज गॉन, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स राइट दिस स्टेटमेंट. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. So submarine started to move from the water surface. It has moved from the surface at the speed of -10 meters per minute. Now it is going downwards in 1 minute 10 meters. So in 5 minutes how much it will go down. 1 मिनट में अगर 10 मीटर नीचे जा रही है तो 5 मिनट्स में कितना होगा. सो ऑपरेशन यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे हम लोग. 1 मिनट में 1 मिनट में 10 मीटर्स मीन्स -10 मीटर्स, तो 2 मिनट में उसका डबल मीन्स -20. 3 मिनट्स में -30. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग इट. वी आर मेकिंग इट्स डबल, ट्रिपल, 4 times, 5 times. So in 5 minutes it is going to be 5 times. So we are going to multiply it by 5. So it is -10 into 5, that is -50 meter. In 5 minutes it has gone -50 meters down. The final statement will be how far is this submarine from the surface. The submarine is -50 meters below water surface. -50 meters below the surface.